Aluminum multi-axis drill for door and window slide rails. The rotary control switch is integrated into the control panel, which is concise and easy to operate. Rotate the twist switch to the left to enter the working state, and rotate it to the right to enter the tool calibration state. Pressing the foot switch can activate the machine for automatic drilling work. Can drill holes for aluminum pipes with different widths. This machine has fast and high efficiency, high drilling accuracy, and hold all the advantages of smoothness and accurate positioning. Drilling effect with high smoothness and no burst can be done in one go for 6 seconds. Drill 18 hole positions to improve production efficiency. The speed of drilling feed can be freely adjusted to achieve efficient batch production drilling processing effect. Equipped with adjustable devices, the drilling depth can be freely adjusted, making it convenient and simple. Cooperate with corresponding positioning and clamping modes, which can vary according to the width of the material. Perform quick positioning drilling. Equipped with a fixed press positioning device, it can move and adjust the press according to different lengths of materials.